Well, this is something interesting and very kind of rare. Air compressor by Campbell hausfelt. So yeah, it's a trash fine. Those are called the pressure gauges and the regulator. Here. I've got to hook up to my onboard power supply, and we'll turn it on and we'll check it out. The guy told me that I got a big leak in it and couldn't find it, so I'll find out myself. And I'm not getting no Jew to my there we go. Well, I can hear air coming out. Oh, here we go. Holy cow. Well, it's got moisture in it. Holy cow. Well, no wonder the guy couldn't figure out where to leak at. That rescue water inside your tank. I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, it's getting there. Holy cow. Well, I got me a free compressor. Yeah, it's oilless, so